She's a Chinese billionaire, and this is her $20,000 order, and it's a gift for her girls, and this is a playtime gift. This is a dress-up gift for them to play with at their house in China. And she chose our Rapunzel. She chose a Princess Aurora and a Snow White gown for her older girls. She had me make Bambi costumes for all of the girls. We custom made their per size, our Bambi costumes. She also really loved our Lily Pad Princess, so she had like the 2-year-old and the 7-year-old matching sets, Princess Belle, Princess Aurora, and to top it off, she got our gorgeous Princess Rapunzel dress. And then she wanted to really accentuate their playtime with our cape collection, which is a collection of all types of capes, Cinderella, Aurora, Princess Belle, and they all come with little crowns. And this is for their playtime. I love this order. They're going to have the best time with this, and I can't wait to see photos of like a tea party.